Thank you for coming. We're going to make some history together today.
So I'll tell you a small incident. Last year I was in Himachal and I was about to start this trek. I went from Bangalore to Delhi to Himachal, and then the idea of this trek was to climb the mountain, stay on the mountain for 2 to 3 days and then come down. And then I was supposed to come back to Bangalore. But I realized that my return ticket was not booked from Delhi to Bangalore. Now this return ticket was very important because I couldn't start the trek until I booked the ticket, because for next 2 to 3 days I won't be available. There won't be any network on the mountain. So I rushed to make the booking. I went on my phone, tried to see the website and the availability and all that. But I was not able to because there was no network. I asked my friends I was with, they didn't have any network. And then what I see is there was this old lady, at the tea shop. She would probably be around 50. She was using this old Nokia phone. She was on a call with somebody. And here I was, trying to make this booking. I was not able to. So I thought, why not call a friend, request him to make the booking, and then, I can probably have it. So I requested the woman. I asked her, ma'am, can I have the phone? Can I make a call? And she was kind enough to give her phone. And then I was able to make a call. And then I finally got the ticket booked. Now the question here is, with all this technology, and all the best technologies and all the information in our hands, has it made our human connection any better? Has it improved the connectivity any better? Has it improved our consciousness even a bit? Best technologies, up to date, you have done everything you could, but still has it really added any meaning to your relationship? In fact, I would say, it has added to more arrogance, more envy, more egotism. I have this phone, which one you have? Oh, this one, okay. So I'm here, you're there. We have divided the world little more. We identify ourselves with these gadgets, these devices so much that we keep updating them, and we think that we are up with the market. We are updated in the world and we have improved. It some ways says that we have improved ourselves by updating these devices. But has it made us more joyful as a human being? Has it made us more understanding, more thoughtful towards your family, your friends, your society in large? Has it? I doubt. Because that's the real update, that's the real change we need. I'm not against buying iPhones. It's a great phone, I've been using this phone for a while now. And it's one of the finest phones in the market. But it's not used as phones anymore. It's something else.